In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Outlook email. If you frequently email the same people, a contact group can be a real time saver. Instead of adding each recipient one by one, you can create a single name for the group. This makes your emailing process much quicker and more efficient. First, let's get started by opening Outlook. As the application launches, you'll see a familiar interface. Look for the navigation pane on the left side of your screen. This is where you can access different features of Outlook. Having Outlook open is crucial because it allows you to access your contacts easily and begin creating that group you need. Next, select People from the navigation pane. This section is specifically designed for managing your contacts. You will see a list of contacts you have saved. By selecting People, you are ready to choose the individuals you want included in your new group, which is a significant step in the process. Now, select the contacts you want to include in the group. You can do this by clicking on each contact's name. If you need to select multiple contacts, hold down the Control key while clicking. This allows you to pick and choose exactly who you want in your group. This step is important because it ensures that your group contains only the people you need for your specific communications. After selecting your contacts, click Add to List and then choose New Contact List. This option will open a new window where you can create your contact group. By doing this, you are telling Outlook to create a new group, which will streamline your emailing process in the future. In the new window, enter a name for the contact list. Choose something memorable that reflects the purpose of the group. This could be a project name or a team name. Naming your group is essential because it will help you find it easily later when you want to send emails. Next, you have the option to add or remove members as needed. If you realize you need to include additional contacts or remove some, you can easily adjust your selections in this step. This flexibility allows you to tailor the group perfectly to your needs, ensuring effective communication. Once you have finalized your contact list, click Save. You will see a confirmation appear indicating that your new contact group has been created successfully. This step is crucial because it makes sure your changes are saved and ready for future use. Now, let's move on to Classic Outlook. Open Outlook, just like before. You will still see the navigation pane on the left side. Getting here ensures you have access to the same features as before, allowing you to create a group seamlessly. Select People from the navigation pane again. This will take you to the Contact Management section, where you can begin creating your contact group. It is important to navigate correctly to ensure you are in the right area for managing your contacts. Now click on Home and then select New Contact Group. This will open a new window where you can input details for your group. This action is vital because it sets the foundation for your new contact group. Enter a name for the group similar to the previous steps. Make sure it's clear and relevant to the people you are including. This helps you quickly identify the group later, saving you time when you need to send emails. Next, click Add Members and choose from Outlook Contacts, from Address Book, or New Email Contact. This flexibility allows you to pull in contacts from various sources, making it easier to assemble your group. This step is essential as it gives you multiple ways to include your contacts efficiently. Select the contacts you want to add, and then click OK. After doing this, you will see those contacts listed in your new group. This confirmation helps you ensure that you've added everyone you intended to include. Finally, click Save and Close. This action ensures your new contact group is saved in Outlook for future use. You've now successfully created a group, making your emailing process much more efficient. Remember, a contact group is perfect for frequently emailing the same people. If you need more features like calendars or shared files, consider creating a Microsoft 365 group instead.